equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Dyson HP09, specifically addressing the Wi-Fi board issues that can render your device non-functional. First, let's gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by unplugging the unit and ensuring it's completely powered down. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the cover. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. Now, you'll have access to the internal components, including the Wi-Fi board. Inspect the Wi-Fi board for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you see any debris, use the isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth to clean the area. This can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. Next, take your multimeter and set it to the continuity test mode. Check the connections on the Wi-Fi board to ensure they are intact. If you find any broken connections, this could indicate that the board is indeed faulty. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without the hassle of travel. If the board appears to be in good condition, check the wiring harness connected to it. Sometimes, the issue lies not with the board itself but with the connections. Ensure that all connectors are secure and free from corrosion. If you notice any corrosion, clean it gently with the isopropyl alcohol. After checking the connections, reassemble the device by carefully placing the cover back on and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Once reassembled, plug the Dyson HP09 back in and power it on. Check if the Wi-Fi functionality has returned. If the issue persists, it may be time to consider a replacement of the Wi-Fi board. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, diagnosing the Wi-Fi board on your Dyson HP09 involves careful inspection, cleaning, and testing of connections. If you're not comfortable performing these steps, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We are here to help you get your device back in working order without the stress of calls or travel. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.